hasn't.
No, it hasn't.
I think it's been going on since I went out.
It doesn't stop, does it?
It's the thunder, the lightning in it I want to see. I mean, I can get light shows, but...
You'd think with lightning it would be... You'd hear the sound.
But all those cracks that we just saw, and I didn't bother to film it. So friggin' pretty.
It's ridiculous.
There's nothing in there, it's just a light show.
There's so much of it.
So pretty. It's like free fireworks. Free but quiet. Dog friendly.
Well, that's what I assumed it was. It was fireworks first of all, because they've been talking about fireworks going off recently today.
There we go. I want to see the thunder, the lightning strikes.
That's what they call a thunderhead cloud. That's the...
I don't know, I've never seen one in my life.
I've never seen anything like that either.
I mean, you see the little bits, but you don't see it that long and that quiet. Oh,
Oh. Well, you normally expect to hear the cracks.
Oh, sorry, I just noticed some good stuff a little further away as well.
It's not stopping, is it?
Nope. Oh, smell Little Miss Drugs next door. Fucking stinking up the place, their dirty shit. Fucking hell. Hot, nice.
It's stopping, is it?
Nope. I want to see more of that lightning. There's just nothing in there. I want to see an image in there. There's nothing, it's just light. And a few thunder cracks or whatever. Lightnings.
Maybe we should count it because it's most cold.
Ha!
But I missed something.
Yeah, tell them to stop being dicks and get back in.
Stop filming and watch the video.
Yeah, go and finish your programme.
What are you looking at?
I've got way too much footage, but it's so pretty.
Wonder who's winning.
Yeah.
That looked like lightning then, didn't it?
But they're not the only plums watching.
No, it can't be. And that's...
Gone bleed.
Free special effects. That was lightning.
Missed it, I was fucking about with the fucking screen.
I wonder if that's what they do call a thunderhead cloud.
I think this is bullshit, and I've never seen such a thing.
What can't I say is I can't hear any...
I know, it's amazing, isn't it? It's the quietest light display we've ever seen.
Normally when you see it thrown that bright, you get an echo.
I think that the sun is malfunctioning. All the light bulbs.
It's the restart.
I'm waiting for something amazing, apart from this. Where's the damn spaceship? Ooh.
Yeah, it's malfunctioning.
I think so.
There's a little green man there turning that starter motor over. Give it more choke.
I want to see more of those lightning jobbies. God, I hope people ain't looking at us. Look stupid.
Well, if they are, they should be looking up, shouldn't they?
Yeah, don't look at me.
You see my beer gap.
It's alright, they can see my white legs. They're scarier.
That's ridiculous.
It is.
Still going?
I know. The last amazing thing I've seen in the sky was the eclipse, and that was when I was at work and I was 20 odd. Don't look at it. Oh, I did.
Well, looking at an eclipse isn't a problem.
Yeah, I
Look at the
know.
sun
But
before
you
and after's
gotta,
the
you
problem.
gotta look through a little box here with a hole in it.
I can't understand why we can't hear anything.
I want something amazing to happen. I want to see the spaceship.
I'm trying to film above it, so it's going.
Obviously, we're the only ones who are excited. The cat wasn't even interested.
Maybe it's invisible to everybody else.
Woo!
It's a signal to us.
Oh, fuck yeah.
And stop staring.
Well, why ain't it written
Don't look at me,
anything?
don't look at me. Oh, good.
I know, you're going to see something really good when we put the damn camera away.
bet none of this is picked up.
I don't know, I haven't checked.
I can't understand it because there's no thunder cracks.
Oh, that's what we
Look
want.
at that.
I know it's better than telly, isn't it?
Maybe it's the
Oh,
portal
that
opening.
one kind of.
Well, you can see through the
Ooh.
lands behind. Look,
Who needs football?
that's Narnia for you.
Oh, God, we're stupid. We've got to stop soon because neighbours are looking. We look like dicks.
They're looking for naked people.
We're looking for Jesus. Jesus is having a little flash moment.
That is.
I need to see something different.
I don't get the lack of sound because those explosions there, we should be hearing those.
Yeah, that's why it's well,
No,
you
there's
don't. When you
There's a
hit,
beat.
when a light's dying, a light's going out, you don't hear it. Or you hear it.
Well, there was definitely lightning flashes there,
Oh.
which we should be hearing the explosions.
You think if we don't look, something better will happen? Yep, there you go.
Well, Phil there, looking through the screen.
I know. I'll try not to look through the screen.
Well, actually, I'm looking at it, can I get a clearer view? I can actually see what's going on in there.
Yeah, well, the zooming in is kind of fun.
I can't see the horseman though.
What, the apocalypse?
That's the ones.
Look at that.
You can imagine if you saw that.
If you saw horses there, I'd be getting inside and crying a bit.
Well, you'd be riding the Valkyries, isn't it?
Please don't kill me. Fuck me, how long? Got like 7 minutes. And that's only this video. Thought I'd do a landscape in case I missed something.
That's right, for some reason.
It's like going to a concert, but this one's quiet.
For some reason hurting my ears, isn't it?
Yes, it's your best concert yet. I won't stand still too long because you'll have the slugs up your... Oi! Stop eating bloody grass. Not you, Derek, the dog. Need to explain for my audience.
Absolutely, yes. The audience really want to know. Why the dog is eating grass is the big question. Because she can.
She wants to yak everywhere in the bloody house. Goddamn dog.
He certainly just got cool enough if he wanted doggy word. I'm not doggy wording under there, like, you get electrocuted.
Oh, come on. Get crazier or stop.
Happening there?
Yeah, I'm just watching it. I'm filming it. Down there, they was talking about it going on Facebook. We're not going to... Oh, you've had a message of Free Night of Music. Yeah, go away, we're watching stuff. It's really important.
He's setting guitars up.
Hey, puss puss! No, can't see him.
Filming the cat's dead, yeah.
Well, yeah.
This is going to go on all night, I think.
Well, I want to see something different.
Well,
I want to see the spaceship. See how when it kind of... It moves
see the
across.
different layers.
Yeah.
Well, I've seen lightning bolts looking through here, so it is. It's
I've
the
never caught
electrical-
lightning on my phone. I mean,
I have on it.
I've always missed it. You know, like I stop filming and then it bloody comes on. So I need this.
I've actually seen some of the lightning bolts go through. So I've heard the term thunderhead cloud before. I
Oh,
think that is.
unless that's traffic, I can hear something behind us. Someone's got to catch up. Is it getting brighter? Oh, is that bad? No, it's a moth. Is it getting bigger?
I don't think so. Seems to take up the same space. Less defined now, though.
Yeah.
Massive.
Yeah, that's what I
still
mean.
can't
It's kind of
understand how we
spreading
can't
out.
hear something just rumbling through.
We need one of those dishes with the knob in the middle.
Looks like one of those Hubble space images that they paint over till it's real.
See, we're going to be famous for filming this.
We're the saddest people everyone's filming.
Shut up. We've got through the neighbours watching, now we can get through the kids watching and laughing.
We've got pictures of the aliens no one else has.
We can get through the bugs climbing up our legs. Ah,
Yeah, with men in black knocking on
was
the
that
door.
noise?
That's an ambulance.
No. I thought I heard...
It's a dog.
I know it could sound like a lorry.
I've not heard a single thunderclap crack.
I
or
thought there
anything.
was something getting closer.
Isn't it the sonic booms or something from the air being exploded?
As I said, never seen the likes in my life. But
Obviously, they're like
bearing in
this.
mind it's really hot, we're not used to Sahara Desert stuff.
No, there is that.
And this might be a very normal occurrence in the desert.
Look, so I think it's the thunderhead cloud. I think that's what they call it. But it might be the heat desert.
I think it could be to do with the heat.
Maybe
It's
that's
got to be a
sand.
pressure thing, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Sand. Is that sand getting crazy up there?
sand having fun.
Oh, we need to be drunk.
I've got a light anomaly in mind. Maybe it's ghosts.
You alright, Lily Pants?
You wonder what they're fucking
You alright,
doing.
Lily? I'm not going to touch you because I'm
idiots
busy
doing that, yeah.
filming. I'm filming stuff.
Stop
Oh,
it.
hello, bat. Oh no, it's a moth.
Really isn't stopping you.
Shit, where's the one still standing there? Let's go.